All right, we are going to do a short video demonstration for these variable speed lathes. Model number MA-2500, which has a 25-inch swing over the bed, 120-inch between centers. And the beauty of this machine is that the headstock has an inverter drive, and the RPM can be changed during the operation. This is the meter which shows RPM. So let's give a try. Let's push down, forwarding. Okay, 229 RPM. And I can change the RPM here to a higher number, 305, and then you can keep changing them in the range. All right, now it's 431 RPM, and then you can turn this down again. So back to 200 RPM level. Now let's do a quick demonstration for the feed, which is either longitudinal or cross feed. So right now, that's pushing. When it's engaged, it's feeding in longitudinal direction. Okay? Now, let's disengage this one. There's a handle pushing. This way you can do cross feed. Push it down. Cross feed. Engaged. All right. After this, we can disengage. Let's do another movement for the threading, which all you have to do is engage in this handle, and it will move as a threading motion. All right, disengage. So that gives us the basic functions for feed in both longitudinal, cross feed direction plus the threading. All right, and we can test a little bit more our speed. It's at 440 RPM. Now let's go back. Again, like 184 RPM. So once again, this is a valuable lathe, which is considered a tool-room lathe with lots of precision, high speed, and user-friendly control. So anyone who is interested on this floor demo inverter lathe, please call toll-free 1-888-725-1866, or you can visit our website for all the specifications and the details at www.lehighmachinery.com. Thanks for watching.